श्रीभगवानुवाच मया सक्तमना पार्थयोगं युञ्जन्मदाश्रयः
असंशयं समग्रं यथा ज्ञास्यसि तच्छृणु.
Fix your heart on me, O seeker true. In love and faith I reveal what's true. No camel without a doubt. Hear my song, I'll lead you out.
मनुष्याणां सहस्रेषु कश्चिद्यतति सिद्धये यततामपि सिद्धानां कश्चिन्मां वेत्ति तत्त्वतः.
Among thousands one may strive, and among the wise few arrive to truly know my boundless flame, the truth behind my cosmic name.
भूमिरापो नलो वायुः खं मनो बुद्धिरेव च.
अहंकार इति मे भिन्ना प्रकृतिरष्टधा.
Earth and water, fire and air, space and mind beyond compare.
Ego, intellect, all you see
are but my lower energy.
अपरेयमितस्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां. जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदन्धार्यते जगत्.
Yet beyond this lies my higher light, the soul that gives the world its sight.
Almighty One, this truth embrace. Life itself is my hidden grace.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय. मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव.
Nothing exists beyond my thread. All is strung where I have spread, like pearls aligned in silent grace.
The universe rests in my embrace.
रसोऽहम् अप्सु कौन्तेय प्रभास्मि शशि सूर्ययो. प्रणवः सर्ववेदेषु शब्दः खे पौरुषं ऋषु.
I am the taste in water's flow, the moon's soft glow, the sun's bright glow.
The sacred Om in every sound. In human strength I am found.
पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ. जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु.
I am the fragrance of the earth, the fire spark, creation's birth, the life in all that breathes and grows.
In silent penance my presence flows.
बीजमा सर्वभूतानां विद्धि पार्थ सनातनं. बुद्धिर्बुद्धिं तामस्मि तेजस्तेजस्विनामहम्.
The seed eternal, I remain in every mind, in every brain. The wisdom bright, the courage flame, all brilliance echoes my name.
ये चैव सात्विका भावा राजसास्तामसाश्च ये. मत्त एवेति तान् विद्धि न त्वहं तेषु ते मयि.
All moods pure, restless or dark, rise from me each hidden spark.
Yet I remain beyond their play.
Untouched eternal, I stay.
त्रिभिर्गुणमयैर्भावैरभिः सर्वमिदं जगत्.
मोहितं नाभिजानाति मामेभ्यः परमव्ययम्.
Bound by nature's triple chain, the world forgets my truth again.
Lost in illusion, hearts can't see
the changeless soul that's truly me.
Devi hesha gunamai mam maya duratyaya. Mameva ye prapadyante maya metantaranti te.
My Maya weaves a mystic veil, so strong, so vast, so hard to sail.
But those who surrender hearts so free
cross this ocean and reach me. चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जना सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन. आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ.
Four kinds of hearts to me arise, in pain, in quest, in worldly ties,
or seekers wise with love so pure.
each finds a path that shall endure.
तेषां ज्ञाने नित्ययुक्त एक भक्तिर्विशिष्यते प्रियो हि ज्ञानिनोत्यर्थमहं स च मम प्रियः.
But the wise who love me as one
Shine brighter than the morning sun,
dear to me as I to them.
a bond beyond the worldly realm. Bahuna janmana mante jnanavan mam prapadyate vasudeva sarvamiti samahatma sudurlabha.
After lifetime's truth is known,
You are all the soul has grown,
such a heart so vast, so free,
finds its home at last in me. Those who know me deep and whole, in every realm, in every soul,
at life's last breath they still can see.
their final thought returns to me. O Krishna, source of all that is, in every form, in silent bliss,
Through knowledge